Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome to B is for Baking. It's YouTube's favorite automotive baking show with your host, the guy that's gonna cook everything. In today's episode, I'm gonna show you guys how to cook 3 different really simple things that you can bring to a Thanksgiving dinner to hopefully impress somebody and make them think that you're not half... Can't say. Anyways, we're gonna get started. After you watch this video, it should be early morning Thanksgiving. The goal of this is to inspire you. Run out to the grocery store, buy the ingredients that you need, and make this at home, and share the pictures with me because I think it'll be hilarious. I'm gonna put the links of all the ingredients and all the steps in the description for each one of these things we're doing. Starting up with bacon deviled eggs and dill deviled eggs. 2 different varieties of deviled eggs. To make any deviled eggs, you need hard-boiled eggs. We've already hard-boiled these. If you don't know how to hard-boil eggs, Google it. Mayonnaise, mustard, a little salt and pepper, paprika, and stuff like that. For bacon ones, you need extra bacon. For dill ones, you need to go buy a little bit of dill weed, and paprika is optional. That's not paprika. Parsley flakes, optional. Let's get started. Gotta cook bacon and shell all the eggs. Next step, go ahead and cut all your eggs lengthwise, long ways. Pull the insides out and put them in a different container. It's time to make our filling. Now that we've realized that we need to split these up, we're gonna do a 1/4 cup of mayonnaise in each one and a teaspoon of mustard, then salt and pepper to taste. That's where things are gonna start to get different. For the bacon side, we're gonna add a little bit of crushed bacon into our filling, and for the dill side, we're gonna add a little bit of dill and parsley. Mash up all the fillings in the bowl, taste test them, and adjust to the flavor that you want. Add a little bit more pepper, a little bit more salt, a little bit more dill, a little bit more bacon, whatever you want to make it taste the way that you like. Next thing you're gonna do is fill up a plastic bag with each different filling and cut one corner off, and we're gonna pipe them into our eggs. The trick to making these all look good is apply your toppings, and then anything that's messed up, eat it before you move it over to your serving plate. Eggs are done. We are pairing every dish with an alcoholic beverage for the adults out there. Eggs and Coors Light. First round completed. Moving on to the bread thing. All right, we got Coors Light and bread, the diet of cowboys. Now you're gonna need a round, kind of half spherical shape hunk of bread. I recommend cheap herder bread, not Adi. Real good. Yep. Find a pan that fits your bread and then cut it 1-inch sections all crosshatch like. Now with this bad boy, we're gonna fill the cracks with brie cheese. We're gonna cut that up into slices, take the skin off of it, always take the outside skin off of it, cut it up into slices, lace it all through here. And then for the filling, we're gonna do apple pie filling on one side, cranberry pie filling on the other side. They're gonna overlap, so we got cran apple right down the center. Once you've reached this point, you'll realize that you forgot to put the butter on all the bread before you put everything else in there. So we're gonna do a post-mortem buttering. So we're gonna cut up a bunch of slots of butter and just shove them inside there. Hopefully they'll melt down. But what you guys should do, melt a little bit of butter in a cup, whatever the instructions say. I don't know, I'm not going off of those things. And then just you know, drizzle it over it and then do all this stuff. Right. We are now butter infused. Time to wrap this whole thing in tin foil. Be careful of the drippage and spillage potential here. There's a lot. And then we're gonna throw it in the oven for a while. While that's cooking, we have a matching cocktail. Can you guess what it is? I know what you may be thinking. Why are you putting water in your cocktail? This isn't water. This is Disneyland prepped Grey Goose. While our cheese bread thing is baking, we are gonna go ahead and start on the Oreo pudding pie. Now, you could swap out any different flavors of pudding. You could do like a lemon, you could do a banana, and different flavors of cookies and crust. It's all pretty much interchangeable and very easy. For this recipe, you're gonna need milk. Just imagine that's right there. A pie crust, buy these at the store. They take way too long to make. Some extra Oreos, cream cheese, pudding mix of your favorite choice, powdered sugar, and probably some other stuff that you might see me use. Now that you've got your cream cheese, butter, powdered sugar concoction, you're gonna fold in 1/3 of a tub of Cool Whip and then throw it all on your crust. All right, our bread pull apart thing is finally done. We actually cooked it for 25 minutes. but let's check it out. There we go, Oreo cream pie. We gotta refrigerate this for a while and then it's ready to be served as dessert. But we have a cocktail to go with it. Cocktail pairing for the Oreo pie is an Oreo White Russian. It's milk, a little bit of knockoff Kahlua, a little bit of real vodka, camouflage, add to taste. We thought we were done, but we're not done because I bought mincemeat pie. That's right, bonus pie. Mincemeat pie, shout out to whatever country mincemeat comes from. Now we're not really sure if this is a dessert pie or a meal pie, but you know, it doesn't really matter. Super easy to make if you want to confuse your relatives as to what the hell's in that pie crust. Just throw down a pie crust, put the filling inside it, put it on top, bake. Here we go. Would you guys believe that 2 YouTubers have dogs named Cooper? Oh, jeez. Hey, Sadie. Whipped cream on the edges did not hold up. Gonna need to, I don't know, guys get creative. We ate all of that, it was fantastic. This is mincemeat pie. Still not sure if it's dinner or dessert, but it's going down now. That's a wrap. Hope you guys enjoyed the season premiere of YouTube's #1 favorite automotive cooking show. Hope I inspired somebody to get out there and make that. If anybody makes any of these recipes for Thanksgiving tomorrow morning, which I highly recommend, tag me on Instagram in it and I might send somebody some free merch. Somebody might win a free hat. I'm just saying, it might happen. Thank you guys for watching. Hope everybody has a fun Thanksgiving. Tomorrow I'm celebrating Thanksgiving again, so no video next day, but then I'll see you the next day after that. Thanks for watching. Peace!